All right, good morning. So today we have a really fun video. We're gonna go tour Oak Run with some real clients that are working with our team. But the fun part is we're not just gonna tour Oak Run, we're also gonna tour On Top of the World, and a new series that I'm starting called the Buyer's Journey series, where we're gonna follow people around, tour the communities that they're interested in, and sort of get their perspective on what they like, what they don't like, and why they end up making the decisions that they do, hopefully giving you guys that are interested in these communities some insight from, real people with boots on the ground and not just agents who obviously are a little biased, love the communities that they're in and that sort of thing. But this one is really cool. So this is Beth and Matt. We're gonna go meet with them. We're gonna tour Oak Run, and then I'm gonna split it into episodes. So each episode is one community. The next episode will be On Top of the World. And at the end of the second episode of On Top of the World, we'll get to see what they thought of Oak Run, what they thought of On Top of the World, and sort of the two communities, how they compare with each other from their perspectives. So it should be a fun one. Without further ado, let's go meet Beth and Matt.
So this is State Road 200. This is the road that takes you straight to I-75. We're going to go to the other end of it right before Dunnellon starts. And Dunnellon is another super cute town. I love it. It's where they got Rainbow River, where they do tubing down the river and kayaking. You see manatees and all kinds of good stuff.
Oh,
so
I love that.
they actually have a singing river cruise on Dunnellon that I haven't done yet that I want to do. But more importantly, they have Bell's outlet store right here.
Oh, yep.
Which, you know Bell's?
Outlet store. Oh, yes. When I lived in Bradenton, there was an outlet store down there.
Oh my gosh.
And I went all the time.
They're great. So the regular Bell's just closed and they moved everything to the Bell's outlet, so it's packed. So don't go in there because you will spend a lot of money. Trust me, I've experienced this.
So these Oak Run and On Top of the World are kind of the two that you guys have boiled it down to?
No.
Yeah. We went to the villages yesterday.
What do you mean?
Hung out there.
We have.
No, I didn't say what.
You said yeah.
I don't know what I'm saying. We were down to the villages yesterday.
Because my father lives there.
There's that aspect of team sport stuff that you can do.
Mm-hmm.
To me is appealing, right? And I'm not a big golfer, but I want to learn how to golf better.
Yeah.
But the idea that you can go play softball or pickleball or even shoot hoops, right? I think that's fun.
He played football. He went for a really good scholarship too.
So we're not gonna have.
And so he likes that camaraderie.
Competitive, yeah, camaraderie.
Just a little school.
But they have a
Where
lot
did you
of
play?
competitive.
I was a strong safety.
Strong safety. Oh wow.
Yeah.
You had some wheels.
And stuff like
Wow.
that, so
4'6",
if he's
4'6". Dang.
That's slow. My son is
Poisonous.
plays wheelchair basketball today. In this
The really
weekend
pretty
in Louisiana
trees.
is a national
played
championship.
Merle.
Yeah, they were saying, oh,
And
poisonous.
they're right this second. They're playing Dallas.
Why is he in a wheelchair?
He's got spina bifida.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
They've got several pools. They've got a walking pool, a lap pool, a whirlpool, and a regular swimming pool.
Oh, wow.
$1 million.
Yeah.
Okay, good morning.
Gosh, I just don't want to do this every. Good morning. Good morning. How's the water? Is it warm?
Over there? It's not warm. It's a good feeling.
That is just the play pool. I call it the play pool. You lay out and that's float. So they've just redone this whole area.
Pretty.
From the pools to in here. They totally remodeled it. It's good. It looks great. Several times.
Is there a dog park here?
There is 2 dog parks.
Can we see those too?
Yeah, we went right past them. We'll go past them on the way out.
Okay.
So remind me when you think we're starting to head that way.
Okay.
Or somebody remind
I'll try
me.
to,
Because,
yeah.
I'm over 55 too, so I can't remember.
Kaylin, how many homes are in this community? Is this
3509.
Paper.
3509? And they have
Precisely.
how many golf courses? Do you
Just
remember?
one.
Just one, okay.
But it's actually pretty well known. A lot of people from the neighboring communities come here to play. It's very reasonable, and the course is really good from what I hear.
A fee or
Yeah.
There is an HOA fee. It ranges from $150 to $350 something, depending. Some areas they maintain the yard for you,
okay.
and so it's more expensive.
Mm-hmm.
The ones that are less expensive, then you do everything.
Yeah.
But it does include basic cable, which is like 10 channels. Woo! And that's about it. So I love showing this place because you've got one of the 2 fitness centers, the biggest of the 2 fitness centers, a gorgeous pool, the one of the ballrooms, and then your restaurant and golf pro shop. Mm-hmm. So it's all one strip. I don't play golf. Because I suck at it. So, you know.
Kaylin's a cheerleader.
I love that.
Oh, he's poking fun at her.
He does. He can't say it without laughing. Get in there.
Sorry.
He cheered that.
I laugh too when I say it. It is pretty funny.
Nice.
They do some group classes here, but most of the group classes are in another ballroom that we'll see.
So are you doing a lot of working out to lose the weight that you did, or?
I am, yeah. I've slowed down a little bit, but yeah.
I tell you, these places motivate you. I don't know what it is. When I moved in to the 55 plus I live in, it just, for some reason, I'm like, I need to go to the fitness center. You know, it's like, everybody does it. There's just a big emphasis on fitness.
And that's one of the reasons, like, coming here, like, from where we are, it's like a half hour to the closest gym.
Is it?
Right? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if you
it'd be
walk.
nice just to walk out or ride your bike.
Yeah.
A couple of years going at the pool.
That got right on my
I know, it's kind of quiet.
It's just early. That's all.
Why is it dead on Saturdays though?
Monday through Friday. Everything happens Monday
Through the
Friday
week, huh?
55 plus. It's every community. I hate showing communities on Saturdays because there's usually never anybody out. But now there's always people in the fitness center, regardless of the day. So I usually start there, and I'm like, this is what it normally looks like. Our room is where they bring in entertainers and things like that. So they'll
There you
bring in comedians. We can't go in. She's cleaning.
We can poke our heads in, I guess.
But they also have an acting group, and so they'll do plays and things like that. Yeah,
Now, is this a golf cart community?
it is.
Okay.
It is.
And if you have your own golf cart, can you use it on the golf course? Or
Yes.
you can.
You can, as long as it's electric. Okay, so this is all new. They have a restaurant that they're gonna update, but they added a bar and this outdoor seating here, and then there's outdoor seating in the back overlooking the golf course, and it's gorgeous.
This golf league.
Yeah, they're doing some kind of league meeting. Do you want me to get you some information about the golf?
I don't think we can get online.
Yeah, we can keep.
It's very reasonable here.
Yeah.
So that's what everybody tells me when I go show them, and they're like, oh, that's not bad. So it's very reasonable, whether you just pay as you play or you do a winner.
We've done some research, like just like looking at like it's included, you know,
Yeah, well, I didn't know about this.
PI's power with the co-pilot.
I like this.
Wow, they did a really nice job with the remodel.
Didn't they?
On the fence, I noticed houses have fences.
Yep.
I guess that's allowed. And then how does that compare to like on top of the world with the fencing?
So on top of the world, you can have fencing as well.
Do you guys have dogs?
Yeah, we have 2.
And so would you want a personal fence?
Well, it's interesting. I'm thinking about. I feel bad for them that we're thinking about moving, right? Because we live in the woods, so we just right. And so we're like going full time on the lease is going to be a big adjustment for them.
I have to stop this video. This was kind of brushed over, but it's an insane feature of Oak Run that I didn't know about until I started digging into it when we were in the community, and I haven't really heard anybody talk about. So while we were driving, and I didn't get a shot of it, we passed a dirt road that sort of seemed like it went back into a state park or something like that. That road connected to the Marjorie Carr Cross Florida Greenway. Is a greenway that goes from coast to coast. It's over 110 linear miles, and it's got 300 miles of trails, hiking, biking, mountain biking, and even horseback riding. And it even has some paved trails. So the crazy thing is, if you lived in Oak Run, you could take your golf cart and go hike endlessly, or you could even take your bike and make it to the Santos bike trails, which is a mountain bike park we have in Florida, or make it over to the Ocala National Forest. I mean, I feel like that's a little bit underrated. It's something that I would be super interested in personally, so maybe I'm overstating it because I'm biased, but I think that's freaking super cool. I would be out there very often, going for a hike, going for bike rides, things like that. And the fact that it's literally connected to your community is pretty incredible.
Oh, they do.
I've never seen anybody playing shuffleboard either. As many of these I've been into, this is a first. normally this is quiet. The shuffleboard courts are quiet. Oh, this is bocce.
Yep, bocce ball. I don't know. I think it's concrete or like a hard sand.
Hard sand.
I don't know. Sometimes they're grass, sometimes they're artificial. New pickleball court since I've been here. Looky there. Yes. Way to go, Okran.
Do they have lights on them for nighttime or no?
It looks like they do.
Like it, yeah.
Actually got people playing tennis here too, which is kind of you don't see that often. Normally the tennis courts are quiet.
I take 131.
People are getting younger here.
Are you guys playing pickleball?
Yes.
Is the like the back wall there, is that used for something else?
Yeah, padel.
Padel, okay. Cool. Do people play padel here?
A few. It's kind of dying out.
Yeah, okay. Cool. I can't believe how quiet the pools are.
Okay, so you got the 3 hot tubs?
Ah, nice.
Yeah, right? I have at least a lot of bedrooms too. What a big gym.
I used to love to do this stairmaster, whatever you call it.
Oh yeah.
I love this coral stone. I feel like
Yes.
it's like old Miami vibes.
Yeah.
That's coming back.
Really
Probably stamped concrete, but
No way. This is real.
is it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
They have.
Wow.
I think they have queries down in like the Keys.
So I have a question. So like, say like, your kids come to visit or your grandkids,
Yeah.
like you can take them swimming in the pools
Oh yeah.
and stuff.
Yep.
Nice. There's a really active travel club over here too.
But they do, they'll do dinner theaters. So you just jump on the bus, you go, you don't have to
That's
get
fun,
to talk
man.
to anybody.
That's cool.
You know you want to live in a 55.
I do. I'm 100%. Well, like
Hard Rock Casino.
I'm going to the Hard Rock for sure.
Casino for amazing here.
That is like
They have the best library out of
are yours.
any community, by far. So yeah, they have league teams here. I believe they have loans and
The tree coverage and stuff is nice. How mature this community feels.
Yeah, I know.
Unlively.
I wrote that as a note just now. I was like, what beautiful scenery.
Yeah.
It's just.
How are you keeping track of? Do you have I saw like the big notepad. Are you just keeping?
Just observations, notes, and we're gonna compare notes later.
Nice.
Yeah, so we think independently, but like for me, I just wrote like this is a very chill neighborhood, very great scenery, beautiful gyms,
Nice.
and I there's joggers,
it's true.
like people are out,
Yeah.
I like that.
Dog park
Mm.
to your left. So little dog park, big dog park.
Oh, let's see. Is there like a room to throw the ball?
Yeah.
Oh, that's massive.
Oh,
That was a little
is
deceiving
small.
at first.
Oh wow, so it goes all the way down.
Large, yeah. Yeah, plenty of room.
Nice.
And there's plenty of trails back there to walk them, so.
All right, so in the next episode, we're going to be on top of the world with Beth and Matt. Not only are we going to see the full community, but we're also going to get to see some inventory homes, some new build homes, and some resale homes. So there's a ton of information in that video. It should be a really good one, and it'll be interesting to see at the end of it how Beth and Matt sort of feel it out, and if they stick with Oak Run on top of the world, or if it's still up in the air. I think that's what's fun about these series. Now, if you are interested in our full list of communities, it's over 1,000 across the United States. You can scan this QR code, or if you're ready to tour, you can scan this. We can help you line up tours. The other cool thing we can do is generate a custom PDF that recommends personalized communities for you. So depending on what you're looking for, personal fencing, certain lifestyle aspects. We have an AI agent that whittles down from our entire list of communities which ones fit that criteria, instead of just like searching through an endless, you know, amount of communities. There's so many, it can be overwhelming. Anyways, I think that's it. I'm gonna stop rambling. See you guys on the next episode.